You're going to cook them?
Yeah.
You're going to eat plenty for dinner? Wow. See, going fishing, the beauty and the danger at the same time. Got the rock formation. Everything come together, the rocks, the trees, and this river to give a spectacular view. So this area right here is closed to fishing. Here we're heading to where the fishes are, so have to go through here. And we made it. Yeah. And also in this area here, as you can, persons might catch the fish and cook it same time. Let me go and check out my friend here and see if he caught anything. You caught anything as yet? Caught anything? The fishes aren't biting? They're not biting? You caught one? Nice! Yeah, so you caught one fish so far. This is snapper? Yeah. So you caught a grey snapper. Yeah, see, being in Guyana and going fishing with ARD and the crew, yeah, getting to know fish name. That's nice one. These waters are high currents. Can't swim in these at all. At least this area, if you notice, there are a few persons swimming around there. Yeah, this thing will push us straight down. You need somebody like Michael Phelps to probably swim up this stream. And even then, no. In case you're in a situation where you're being brought away with the currents of the water, the best thing to do is to not swim against the current, but either you go with it and then try until it dies out, to go with it until you feel a point where it dies out, or you try to swim sideways, so like swim across. Instead of going up, swim across towards the banking area or an area where the waves aren't so, the current isn't so strong. But don't try to swim against it. You'll get tired, because this water is not going to get tired, you know. Can go all night long, but you'll get tired, so don't try it. I just have to remove this scale and then add it on. Take off the scales and then throw it out. So it's black sand in the water here. Let's caught one more. Just an hour for it to get the water. So now you got two snappers. The fish have a lot of life in them. Another snapper again. Nice. I keep missing each time you're catching them. Yeah, so it has 3 snappers now. So you're gonna cook them when you get home? You're gonna cook them?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna head up now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. That's how I know that you like it. Leave a comment down below and subscribe so that you'll get to see more videos. And until next time. Wow. This is a nice going away present. Until next time, and then we caught this fella right here. Move the head. Nice. You're gonna eat plenty for dinner.
Please, we will eat.